Hello everyone, this is Jabnjay. Welcome back on MCode channel. I hope you all are doing great. So friend, here we are learning about the manual testing and its concepts. As of now, we have posted multiple videos regarding the manual testing concepts. So if you want to know much more about the manual testing with a real-time example, please navigate to my channel and watch the posted videos. It will definitely help to you to understanding the concepts of the manual testing. So let's get started with the today's session. Today we are going through the retesting. Retesting is the one type of the manual testing. So what exactly retesting? Retesting means the testing of the same test cases again after the defect is fixed. There we can make sure the bug is really resolved or not. Okay. Also, retesting is the type of the software testing where testers verify the specific defects that were fixed by the developer. Okay. Means suppose you are doing the testing of the application first time and you identify one defect. That defect you are logged on the your task management tool, which is Jira or Taskflow. Okay, there you have raised and developers started working on that defect and they given the fixes of that defect. Now the defect they have fixed and that bug they have pushed in the QA. Now QA need to retest that defect. That testing we can say as a retesting. As the name suggested, retesting means do the testing of the bug once they got resolved by the developer. Okay. Also, it ensures that the previous failed test cases now passes successfully after the code correction. Suppose take example of login page and there you have written five test cases. Out of five, three got passed in the first run. You identify two defects in the two test cases, and that two defects you have logged on the board. That two defects after some time got fixed by the developer. So after that we can test that all the defects and that failed test cases. So at the time of sign off, you can make sure that all five test cases got working fine and in the QA environment. Now, friends, what is the goal of retesting? One is to verify the defect is fixed properly or not. Okay. Second one is to ensure the functionality works correctly. Okay. And third one is confirm that fix doesn't fail again. Okay. So these are the three goals, like where we can check the defect is got fixed or not. Okay. Also, we can ensure the functionality, whatever functionality we have that particular field is working fine or not. Okay. And third one is confirm that fixed whatever fixes given by the developer, it would not be fail again. Okay, once you got the fixes on that particular thing. Okay. Now let's move toward the one example. We'll see one example and that will be help you to understand. So we'll take example about the login page. There we can assume the test cases like enter the valid username and password, click login, and user should reach out to the home page. I hope everyone know this is the flow. Everyone can understand this flow. It is very easy flow. If you see any kind of application, we have login page. Okay. Now we found the bug when user tries to log in to the application. That time application or app is crashes. Like testers log the defect. If suppose the application is crashes, then we need to log the defect on the board. Now developer can give the fix. Like developer fix that crash issues and release the new build. Okay. Once they fix that issue, that time again developer needs to push the code in the QA environment. Okay. So now this thing is done. Next step is we need to do the retesting. Okay. Now in the as part of the retesting, tester test the same login scenario again and verify the issue is fixed or not. Means like whatever steps he have performed when he identify the defect, that all steps he will reperform with an application and he tries to reproduce that issue. If it is not reproducible, then we can say that if defect is the fixed and our application is working as per the expected. But if that issue is not fixed, then we can reopen that raised issue. Okay. Now, yeah, as I mentioned, here I have added two simple terms. If it works, then we can say defect is closed. We can change the status of the defect as a closed. If it is still fails, then we can change the defect status as a reopen. Okay. Now there are the retesting processes. We can say we have five steps. We can say one is identifying defect. their tester finds the defect and log it in a bug tracking tool like Jira, Bugzilla. Okay, I hope everyone knows about the Jira. Those are working professional. Okay, now next point is developer fix that bug. Developer correct that code and make mark this defect as a fixed. New build release. When the developer gives the fixes on that time they will release the new version with a fixed issue and share that new version with the tester. That time, tester can perform the retesting. Their tester re-execute the same failed test cases. Okay. And last one is validate the result. If it works, then we can mark as a close the defect, or else we can reopen the issue. So that's it, guys, regarding the retesting. I hope you all are enjoyed this video. So please give like and share this video with your friends so they were also aware with the manual testing concept. And if you are new here on my channel, so please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so you will never miss an update from the Yum code. And one more new thing I want to add here, I have created one Telegram channel with the same name of Yum code. So I would request you please join that channel. If you join that channel, I will share the all videos link at that place on the channel. You can navigate to my channel or navigate to the video from there as well. Also, on that channel, I am accepting the questions of the candidate. So, if any candidate have any kind of question in my explain the topic, please raise the concern on the group or that channel. So, definitely, I will give the answer to that particular candidate. Okay, so that's all about the today's session. I hope this is fine, and thank you once again. See you in the next video with a new topic. So meanwhile, watch the videos and continue with the learning and stay connected. Thank you, guys.